Hello ladies and gentlemen, Martin here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your headlights with no drill. You can buy one of these from Walmart. I'll leave this down in the description. No drill required, you just use your hands. So all you got to do is clean, easy, remove heavy, oxidizing, yellow, and scratches, and 2, coat. So I guess it gives you a coat too. So let's see if this stuff gets it, and let's start cleaning this headlight. So you just gonna put on some applicator, some of the cleaning solution, and then you're just gonna start scrubbing the headlight. So once you have the clean solution scrubbed on, you wipe it off. Just like that, it'll come off. And now you just spray on the headlight coating. I would do about 3 coats of this, let it sit for a little bit, then coat it again, just to be safe. That's what I would do. Alright, so I just finished this side. I put 3 coats on this side. Now I'm going to do the other side, then I'll show you guys the finished product. And that's the finished product, guys. I cleaned up the headlights a little bit. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.